In this video, you will learn about Onfleet's route optimization feature. Onfleet offers a route optimization feature that allows your organization to create timely, intelligent, and efficient delivery routes for your drivers. Route optimization is a fast and effective workflow that uses Onfleet's algorithms to assign tasks to your drivers. When an organization uses the route optimization feature, it will create a sequence of tasks that respect the constraints you assign, such as item quantities and completion times, while also considering task locations and historical traffic conditions. Route optimization is a great match for any type of scheduled delivery service and can save significant amounts of planning time. To use the route optimization function for your organization, ensure your administrator has enabled route optimization under the add-on section of the settings modal. Once you have route optimization enabled, two optional task parameters will become available: service time and quantity. Service time refers to the minutes a driver may spend at a destination between their arrival and the task completion. For example, if a driver usually takes 3 minutes to arrive at a task destination and deliver the package, then you can input a service time of 3 minutes. Quantity is useful if your organization has set a capacity under the driver's profile. Once you have created more than one task, you can select the tasks you would like to optimize by either selecting them in the table view or map view. If you select the tasks in the table view, you will then select Optimize. Alternatively, if you select the task in the map view, you can right-click them and then select Optimize. When you select the tasks you would like to optimize, a route optimization modal will appear that will provide you a few options to fine-tune your route preferences by configuring your selections. Optimization options. Date. Choose a date to optimize. By default, your current dashboard filter date will be used. If your routes cross a day boundary, the date shown will be the first day in the route. Time zone. Time zone defaults to the dispatcher's current time zone. Dispatchers can select a different time zone for the route optimization by selecting the drop-down option for the time zone located beside date. Drivers. Select one or more drivers to whom to create routes. If drivers have individual schedules, these schedules will be considered when creating routes. If the drivers do not have schedules, then if your organization has a defined schedule, it will be considered a default scheduled and enabled across all drivers. Next, you will have the option to specify the maximum number of tasks you would like to be assigned per driver and a global service time. If you have already added a service time to an individual task, then the global service time will be overridden during the route calculation. Using this function can also be useful in balancing a driver's load of tasks. Then you will be able to define the start and end point for the route. The options available are Anywhere, Teams Hub, Driver's Address, or you will be able to view any other hubs your organization may have set for different teams or operational purposes. Please note that a route cannot start from and end at anywhere. There must be a selected location either to start or end the task. The starting and ending locations of a route will also influence the shape that a route will have. For example, if you select to start your route at your team's hub, then the tasks closest to that address will most likely be placed first in the route, and the tasks farther away will most likely be placed at the end of the route. Conversely, if you've selected to end your route at the team's hub, then the task closest to the team hub will most likely be placed closer to the end of the route. Finally, choose between 3 different optimization modes. Always arrive on time. Routes are created which strictly adhere to a task complete after and complete before times. Tasks that cannot be added to a route without violating these times will not be included in your returned route solution. Minimize drive time. Routes are created which minimize the total number of miles driven by your workers. This will reduce the overall cost to complete the route. However, it allows for violations in your complete before and complete after windows. Balanced driving time and arrival times. Routes are created balancing the other two options. This mode doesn't necessarily return the route with the shortest drive time and does not guarantee that every task completed is within the delivery window. However, both factors are taken into consideration within this optimization. When you are finished configuring your optimization options, select Proceed. If you are not satisfied with the results of the route optimization, you can return to the route optimization modal, adjust your parameters, and then run the optimization again. If you receive any error or warning messages while trying to optimize your route, select the back button to edit your options and try optimizing once more. Frequently asked questions. How does Onfleet's route optimization work? Onfleet's algorithm considers your organization's delivery locations, time windows, historical traffic data, road speeds and restrictions, driver schedules, and if included, the capacity of vehicles and time spent on site. How is the time on duty estimation calculated? Time on duty is an estimate of the distance the driver will be performing on the route using Google's Matrix API, any service time added to the task, and the completion times for the tasks. Does Onfleet consider real-time traffic data when creating routes? Onfleet considers historical traffic patterns to help schedule routes and does not consider real-time traffic data when creating routes. Thank you for watching. For more information on Onfleet's route optimization feature, please refer to our support center or email the Onfleet support team at support@onfleet.com.